Hi, so what we're going to do today is we're going to learn how to change the speed of a video in iMOVIE. Let's play a little bit of the normal sound so you'll get an idea about how fast it is. Okay, so that is the normal sound. So what we're going to do is we're going to go up here and we're going to split this clip into 3 separate clips. And we're going to change the speed so that you can see how to do it. The second one, we're going to change the speed on it. So we go up to the right and we see the dial that says speed. Now we can change the speed. We can keep it normal. We can slow it down, or we can make it faster. And we can also do a custom adjustment on it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select this clip and I'm going to make this slow, and I'm going to do about 25%. Preserve the pitch so it doesn't sound funny, and let's see how it runs now. So as you can see, the speed has really gone down, and you can see the little icon on the clip that has a turtle icon, and that indicates that it's slow. Okay, so let's go to the next clip. Now we're going to go down to fast, and we're going to increase it up to, let's see, let's go 4 times the speed. And we'll start back at the slow one, and then we'll run the 4 times speed. Okay, can you see the difference? That icon has a rabbit on it, so that kind of tells you that that clip has been sped up. So that's all you do whenever you want to speed up a clip or slow one down. I hope this helps you in your editing in iMOVIE.